Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 49 Wren and Martin हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक्स और टॉपिक है हमारा द infinitive. State how the infinitive is used in the following sentences. There was nothing for it to fight. To fight तो है कहेंगे simple infinitive और जो ऑब्जेक्ट है preposition का वो होगा but. दूसरा है let us pray. Pray जो है सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव हुआ. ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट. द मैंगो इज फिट टू ईट. टू ईट ये होगा आपका जेरेंडाइल इन्फिनेटिव और ये जो है क्वालिफाई करता है एडजेक्टिव को फिट. आई हर्ड हर सिंग. सिंग जो है वो हुआ सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आई हैव कम टू सी यू. टू सी जेरेंडाइल इन्फिनेटिव और ये जो है क्वालिफाई करता है वर्ब को एम गोइंग. द ऑर्डर टू एडवांस वाज गिवन. टू एडवांस जेरेंडाइल इन्फिनेटिव और ये करता है क्वालिफाई नाउन को ऑर्डर. मेन मस्ट वर्क एंड वुमेन मस्ट क्वीन. वर्क सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव और इसका जो यूज किया जा रहा है वो हो रहा है वर्क के साथ, सॉरी मस्ट के साथ. वहीं पर कीप जो है ये है सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव और ये भी यूज हो रहा है मस्ट के साथ. आई एम सॉरी टू हियर दिस. टू हियर जेरेंडाइल इन्फिनेटिव और ये कर रहा है क्वालिफाई एडजेक्टिव को सॉरी. ही इज स्लो टू फॉरगिव. टू फॉरगिव जेरेंडाइल इन्फिनेटिव क्वालिफाई एडजेक्टिव स्लो. अ मैन see where he was and turned to view. To view gerundal infinitive qualifies turn. And fools who came to scoff remain to pray. To scoff gerundal infinitive qualifies the verb came. Thus to relieve the rash was his pride. Relieve simple infinitive subject of the verb was. Full many a flower is born to blush unseen. To blush gerundal infinitive qualifies the verb is born. Music had charms to soothe the savage beast. To soothe gerundal infinitive qualifies the noun charms. Never seek to fell thy love or not fell, it's tell thy love. To tell simple infinitive object of the verb seek. To retreat was difficult. Advance was impossible. To retreat simple infinitive subject of the verb was. To advance simple infinitive subject of the verb was. Everybody wishes to enjoy life. To enjoy simple infinitive object of the verb wishes. My desire is to see you again. To see simple infinitive complement of the verb is. There was not a moment to be lost. To be lost gerundal infinitive qualifies the noun moment. The council rose to address the code. To address gerundal infinitive qualifies the verb rose. My right there is none to dispute. To dispute gerundal infinitive qualifies the pronoun none. The ability to laugh is peculiar to mankind. To laugh gerundal infinitive qualifies the noun ability. He has the power to concentrate his thoughts. Concentrate gerundal infinitive qualifies the noun power. He was quick to see the point. To see gerundal infinitive qualifies the adjective quick. I am not afraid to speak the truth. To speak gerundal infinitive qualifies the adjective afraid. Better dwell in the midst of alarms than reign in this horrible place. Dwell and reign simple infinitive used with had, which is understood. Can you hope to count the stars? Hope simple infinitive used with can. To count simple infinitive object of the verb can hope. Toil is the lot of mankind. To toil simple infinitive subject of the verb is. It is delightful to hear the sound of the sea. To hear, simple infinitive. Put in apposition with it. It is a penal offense to bribe a public. To bribe, simple infinitive. Put in apposition with it. So this is your exercise related to infinitives. Let's meet in another exercise, exercise number 50. Till then, subscribe ASA Education.